What's up? This is Juwan Buford, broadcast from Detroit, Michigan. And look, what I want to talk about today is the annual power training boot camp that is literally less than a day away, transpiring tomorrow, Saturday at 10 a.m. Downtown Detroit in Space Lab. And look, I'm so intent about this if you can't tell. You know, we've done this boot camp now on several occasions, and it's always been just a phenomenal experience for those who participated. Those who have done so in the past, you know, this just simply isn't another training. And it's been transformative. I mean, literally in real time, we've seen so many individuals come out of this boot camp with a better understanding of strategy, belief, really vested in their breakthrough, and it happening right there in that space, in that room. And so, look, if you left on fire before, you already know what it is, right? We know spaced repetition is the mother of all learning. And we also know that, look, change and transformation just doesn't happen in a vacuum. You want to be in an environment that will edify, celebrate, and definitely give you the energy, the entrepreneur soul food, if you will, that's required to level up and have success as an entrepreneur. And look, this year, we are more committed than ever. We're leveling up the experience again, and we're fortunate not to only have 1 Millionaire Club member, not 2 Millionaire Club members, but 3 Millionaire Club members and legends, the likes of like Mr. Rob Hurst, Lisa Schiller, and John Hoffman, leaders who build sustainable, life-changing businesses, individuals with a proven track record of helping other individuals achieve their goals and dreams. They're still in the trenches, and they're still showing us what's possible. And look, we know if you want to be successful in any business endeavor, especially here in LegalShield, you want to copy the right cats. And this will, it doesn't get much better than this, right? I'm almost at a loss for words, but also know this. It's not about just simply sitting on the sidelines and taking notes. Yeah, that's important, but know that you're going to be surrounded by other LegalShield entrepreneurs who are actually doing the work, performance code qualifying, rank advancing, achieving senior director, building executive director businesses, and scaling. These are going to be people who are building teams, who are creating fantastic incomes, who are making those financial independence deposits. And look, it doesn't have to be one of those someday, one day, hopefully type of deals. You can be in that environment, let iron sharpen iron, and begin right there, right now. And so look, man, I'd be on here for another 10, 15 minutes if I really shared everything I'm thinking about right now in the lead up to it. But don't miss it. If you missed last year, you don't want to let that happen again. I promise you, if you talk to other individuals who attended previously, they'll tell you that this is the time, this is the place, this is the event, this is the opportunity to really transform your life and really get out there and achieve your goals, dreams, and ambitions. We're going to make it happen here. So look, there's going to be momentum in the room. It's where alignment, conversations, collaborations, building is going to transpire. It's going to provide clarity, greater community, a path towards the next level. And look, you just need to be there. So look, seats are limited, but the opportunity isn't. A matter of fact, in my mind, the opportunity is limitless, and we look forward to seeing you there. We celebrate your success in advance. Definitely look at the notes that accompany this video to get the details. Goodbye for now.